It's Christmas Eve, and I can't sleep. I wonder what Santa brought for me. I tiptoe out and sneak a peek. The stocking's full with something underneath. Building a castle at 3 a.m. Flying through space, searching for aliens.